is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard flash flooding caused by small creeks and streams. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams. Prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details, areas of heavy rainfall will continue across much of North and South, which will likely lead to areas of flash flooding. Torrential rainfall is expected to overshadow today as Hurricane Helene approaches. Storm total rainfall of 4 to 10 inches with locally higher amounts are expected through flash. Widespread flooding is expected with significant flash flooding and moderate to major river flooding possible. http